Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we have a quick unboxing video. We have a Verkada CM41S, and this is a little small like stealth camera that you might need to install. I would use it like in an elevator where I could hide the base of the camera and just squeeze the lens back out. Or if you have like a high visibility area where it's like a real nice lobby and you can't have that big dome sticking out, this is the camera that you could use for that. So I'll show you what this guy looks like. In the box, this is what you get. This is the base of the camera, which you would mount, and then you have a second mounting plate, and it has this little threaded wire here, this little braided wire. So you can actually mount this plate. If I was going to do this on an elevator, I would mount this on the top of the car, feed this back into the corner of the elevator, and have just the lens in the dark little corner. Same thing with like a lobby or anywhere else that you need to have something not like in your face. A lot of people are worried about, what that looks like in their lobby, or, some people are picky on what that looks like. So this is what you get. You get this little base, this little mount. I'm not sure if I could take it off with that tool, but this little plate turns clockwise here, and then it pops off like with the magnet. It turns, it comes off, it mounts, it sticks on a little magnet piece. You click back on, you turn it, locks back into place. This has two little mounting screws here. So you get about 6 inches of leadway to hide this guy in a little corner. And then you get all the same analytics and everything you would get from a regular Verkada camera. So that's what that looks like. Oh, there it goes. Look, you line up those two little blue guys there, and that's supposed to pop off right there. There it goes. So you would take this off, mount that to where you need to put it on, stick this guy back in. It has little magnets. You line up this little blue dot with this little double blue dot, if you can see those right there. And then that's how it goes back on. And then you would turn it to lock it. What else will come in here? I think that's it. Oh no, let's see. Just a couple screws for mounting screws, and then your QR code to activate the camera. But it's just a nice option because sometimes people need something really aesthetically pleasing. Or hidden at all. This is basically like if you don't want to see the camera at all, but still get your analytics and all this stuff. So small camera, powerful camera, 30 days retention, facial analytics, vehicle analytics, same stuff as all the regular Verkada cameras. So that's it. That's the mini camera. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.